All right. We are back. Boss up, baby. Continuing the 2024 mission to get government contracts. Of course, we're still going to talk about gig apps, couriers, medical contracts, medical courier routes. Also, we're going to talk about postal contract work. So everybody know that the USPS, United States Postal Service, is a government agency. So you can get government contracts with them. All right. So we're going to start the process of looking it up. You're going to go to USPS. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to business services, and then you're going to cover over here, business services, and come to how to become a USPS supplier. USPS home screen. You're going to scroll down. You can scroll down to the bottom or do it from the top, but the bottom is the easiest. Go down to the bottom. Go to government services and hover over what we do, business services, because you want to do business with the government. You're going to be a supplier and find out how to be a supplier. But they do have some other stuff, small business mentoring, current suppliers, see what's available right there. After you become a supplier, got some more information. So you come here, supplier registration. Now, there's an additional form you're going to fill out. There's an additional PDF document. That's your Word document. Once you click here, supplier registration form, fill that form out. You're going to email it in, and then they're going to give you a username and password for this portal, and then you can start bidding on the contracts. So it's a step-by-step process. That's what I'm going over this month of January, how to sign up, how to get on to all these websites, to get on all these supplier registrations lists. And here's the email. So, of course, since you're only emailing the form back, thousands of emails going to be sent over to this company, especially after this video gets out, gets popular. So I want you guys to be first. Go ahead and get on this right away. And then, unfortunately, there's no phone numbers on this. So it's kind of hard to get on top of the ball or get in front of somebody who is a decision maker. This is one of those things you just have to sit back, wait until they get around to processing it. I have heard some people heard it took about 3 months for they heard back for somebody, but if you're serious about government contracting, it's something you want to do, then don't let that deter you, depending on where your location is, depending on where your state. The more rural, the better with these. So if you're in a big city, might not be a lot of opportunities for you. A lot of big cities don't have the contract work. A lot of these contract work for rural areas. So you're in a small town, small area, small little part of the country, this is perfect for you. And it's just something you can get on right away. So here's some of the steps. E-Source supplier registration is a module in which suppliers are encouraged to register to be eligible to participate in e-sourcing events. So sourcing, procurement, that's just the government way of finding small businesses to partner with and to work with. So you follow these steps, send the form to this email, and then you're ready to go. Make sure you got your business, make sure you got your DUNS number set up. This form here, see if I can make it bigger. There we go. So here it is. Here's the email address, and then you got to have your company name. So if you haven't formed your LLC yet, go ahead and do that before you come to these sites and register. You have to have an LLC, a business already established with your state before you can do any government contracting. So that is first steps. If you need help with that, if you need help business registration, you need a registered agent for your state or city, hit me up at Credit K on Instagram or TikTok or at creditk.com. And we can set up a meeting or a consultation to help you get signed up or your LLC with your state or get your DUNS number. But all this stuff can be done real simple. You can get your DUNS number here, dnb.com, free of charge. So go ahead and fill out this form and email it back. And then they'll eventually give you a username and password. Now, I just filled out this form, so I haven't got mine back yet, but I'm waiting to hear back. Like I said, some people told me it takes 3 months. Some got it up faster. So I hope mine is a lot faster. Okay. All right. So let's go back to the website. All right. So, and then after the supplier completes the supplier portal registration, that's the form I just showed you. The portal service will review the registration accuracy, then receive a final notification. So that's why you got to whitelist this email address. Make sure, this doesn't go to your spam or junk folder. So and yeah, you pretty much will be set up with the USPS as a postal contract worker. And that's one of many websites. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you like the content that I'm bringing you. Then should keep on want to follow me and watch more videos. So this is the mission for 2024 government contracting. Boss up, baby. Getting out the 9 to 5 rat race this year. Let's go.